All glories to Amrita and Dhanvantari, the supreme divine healers. So this is a big, quick, spontaneous recording regarding a wonderful recipe that I can recommend to everyone. And that is raw vegan kombu algae, kombu seaweed. So you take as much as you like of the kombu and with the scissors cut them into thin stripes, soak them for about 2.5 to 3 hours, and then drain them, but don't drain them completely. Leave a little bit for the sauce, and the rest of the water you can use for your salad sauce. So then you add a good amount of spirulina to bind the liquid a little bit, some asafoetida, a little bit of black pepper, maybe some oregano, and tiny bit of turmeric, maybe some ginger powder, and you can add a few nuts, like in a coarse consistency, maybe some pine nuts or a little bit of walnut or some soaked pieces of Brazil nut, for example. And then you have basically raw vegan, I forgot the little bit of olive oil, just a tiny bit, or maybe flaxseed oil. And then you have your raw vegan kombu pesto pasta. It's a wonderful addition to any salad meal. And well, try it out and leave me your comments, your suggestions, and check out the description section for all the links to our different works. Thank you very much. May the Om Love be with you. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.